Hello, pond keepers. Welcome to the ultimate koi pond pH buffer guide. Do you know the single most important invisible shield that protects your fish from a deadly pH crash? It's your KH, or carbonate hardness. We're going to cover exactly why your pond needs this buffer and how to safely use simple baking soda to protect your valuable koi and your biofilter. Your pond's KH shield is constantly disappearing, and here's why. First, rainwater is naturally acidic. Every rain shower constantly depletes your pond's natural alkalinity. Second, your biofilter bacteria are heroes, but they're also mineral consumers. As they process fish waste, they consume KH minerals. The result is a dangerous risk of pH crash. When your KH drops below 40 parts per million, the pH can drop dangerously low, causing fish death and total filter collapse. So what exactly is KH? KH stands for carbonate hardness or alkalinity. It's your pond's pH stabilization buffer. Think of it like a balance scale. On one side, you have acids from rain and fish waste. On the other side, you have your KH buffer, which is easily supplied by baking soda. KH literally shields against those dangerous, acidic pH drops. Our goal is to maintain your KH consistently between 120 and 150 parts per million. This ensures a stable, safe pH for koi, ideally between 7.5 to 8.4. Stop. Critical safety first. Before you ever touch that baking soda, you must heed the number one deadly mistake: ammonia toxicity. The danger is simple. High pH combined with ammonia equals highly toxic ammonia. Raising the pH with baking soda can convert safe ammonium back into deadly toxic ammonia. The rule is absolute. Always test for ammonia first. If you detect any ammonia, meaning ammonia greater than zero, you must fix that issue before adding any baking soda. Once you have confirmed zero ammonia, you can begin the KH boost. Remember, go slow. Measurement. A general rule of thumb is to use 1 cup of baking soda per 1,000 gallons of pond water. Pace. This is vital. Do not raise your KH by more than 20 to 30 parts per million per day. Raising it too fast can cause pH shock, which is harmful to your fish. How to. For application, dissolve the baking soda completely in a separate bucket of pond water. Then, pour the dissolved solution into a high-flow area like your skimmer or a waterfall to ensure even distribution. Let's address a common concern. Myth. Baking soda will raise my pH too high and kill my fish. Busted. Fact. Baking soda naturally buffers the pH safely at around 8.3 to 8.4, which is perfectly safe for koi. There is one risk to be aware of: sodium buildup. Baking soda adds sodium, and over time this can harm sensitive pond plants. The simple solution is to perform regular water changes of 10 to 20% weekly to flush out excess sodium accumulation. Many pond owners blame string algae on a high pH from buffering. Here's the truth. Algae does prefer the stable, alkaline water you create by maintaining a good KH buffer. However, high pH is not the root cause. String algae is primarily fueled by excess nutrients, especially phosphates. Strategy. Don't risk dropping your vital KH buffer. Instead, attack the nutrients. Actionable fixes include reducing fish feeding, removing organic debris, and using more aquatic plants or shade to reduce sunlight. A quick note on balancing your pond's key water parameters. Baking soda boosts your KH buffer. Epsom salt boosts your GH, or general hardness, which contains essential calcium and magnesium minerals. Warning: you must never mix baking soda and Epsom salt in the same bucket. They react to create an unusable, cloudy solid. The safe way to treat is to apply your baking soda on day 1 and then wait 24 hours before treating with Epsom salt on day 2. To finish, here is the Koi Keeper's KH checklist. Follow these 4 steps to protect your pond and your koi. Check 1. Ammonia check. Zero ammonia reading is always required before dosing. Check 2. Target level. KH is maintained between 120 to 150 ppm. Check 3. Pace. Dosing is done slowly at a maximum of 30 parts per million per day. Check 4. Algae. You are managing nutrients, not pH, to control algae. Protect your pond. Protect your koi. Thank you for watching this guide. If you have any questions about your pond's KH, please ask me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy pond maintenance tips.